Hello again, I'm Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus. This is video 17 of the vinyl siding, and I just wanted to show you the finished product with the fascia and the soffit. As you can see up there, it looks really good. So the next thing we need to do is to plan what we're going to do with this wall. And I have some, probably a square and a half of vinyl left. And hopefully, like I said before, I was going to clean some of that from the front side to put on the back, but obviously I don't want to clean it if I don't have to. But as you can see, I've got plywood that I screwed to the wall. It's been a while back, and to cover some burn areas, and you don't have to worry about the it's 5/8 plywood, CDX, which is just construction grade. And as you can see, it's going to stick out here about 5/8 of an inch or so, and you don't have to worry about that. The vinyl will be able to go over that okay. And as you can see, I still got that bunch of that yellow tile, and what I'm going to do is use a hammer and screw, get it started. And see this spot right here? I'm going to go ahead and take the vinyl down to just below that, and then on the other side I'll take these pieces out all the way up, and then start brand new from this section right here. This will come off and this will come off, and so we'll be able to cover that bad spot up there, and obviously the plywood. But the first thing that you need to do whenever you're got to get to this point, or before you even get started, is have a game plan. My game plan on this wall right here was, number one, get the eave done, and that meant fascia board, and then a board along the wall that you can screw your soffit up into. And so since the fascia's on, the gutter board's on, the soffit's installed, all I need to do on the bottom side there is put my J channel, and then that way that'll be the finishing touch with the vinyl slipping up into it. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start taking off this vinyl down to just below that. It just looked like there used to be an air conditioner there, and we're just going to wipe that out so it looks a lot cleaner, and also take the weather better. But I just wanted to show you that. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking vinyl down, and I'll show you the next video when I start putting new vinyl up. I might I don't know, I think you already know how to put vinyl up by now from the earlier videos, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like when I'm done, and let's take a bigger look at it. That's the whole wall there, and as you can see, that window over there on the right, I'm going to have to take off the take the vinyl down on that, and I'm going to go ahead and make that solid. Those windows that I put in have they're already pre-molded for your vinyl. They've got the J molding built in, makes it a lot better and easier and looks better. So anyway, that's it for this video. Southwest Indiana, MikesCarpentryPlus, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any cats or dogs, please get them spayed and or neutered, and if you want to get one, please go to the local animal shelter and rescue one. They'd appreciate it, and you have a great day. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.